If you're setting up Zoom breakout rooms for the first time, you want to go to zoom.us. You'll see your dashboard here. Then visit settings. When you go to settings, you'll want to scroll down to where it says in meeting advanced. You'll see breakout rooms and make sure that that feature is turned on. Now see that this icon right here is running once you have your meeting up and running. Go ahead and choose breakout rooms and you'll choose the number of breakout rooms that you want. You can choose automatically, manually, or let participants choose a room. I have other videos to give more explanations on that, but I'm going to just assign automatically and hit create. Once you do that, this will pop up on your screen and this is your breakout rooms. You can go ahead and open all of your rooms and you'll see the number of participants. What you can then do is you can hit join to join that room. It'll take you to whatever room number you're trying to access and it'll tell you that you are now in that breakout room. If you want to leave, you can just choose leave room. And you have a couple different options right here. You can just say leave breakout room if you just want to keep visiting different breakout rooms. How you visit another breakout room is very simple. You simply go right here to breakout rooms and choose join to do that. When you're ready to close all of your breakout rooms, just go ahead and hit close all breakout rooms. And then what it'll do is it will close everybody out and bring everybody to the main session.